So what exactly does Kajabi do? In short, it's an all-in-one platform for anyone who wants to build, market, and sell digital products or online courses without needing any coding skills. Kajabi gives you everything in one place: a website builder, email marketing tools, course creation system, and even payment processing. You can build a professional looking website, host your videos or lessons, and sell memberships or coaching programs all from one dashboard. It's built for creators, coaches, and educators who want to focus on their content, not the tech. Instead of juggling multiple tools like WordPress, MailChimp, and Teachable, Kajabi combines it all, so your website's marketing emails, sales funnels, and products work together seamlessly. Plus, Kajabi gives you analytics, letting you track how your students engage with your content and how your business performs. So whether you're launching a course, a podcast, or a coaching business, Kajabi is the complete toolbox for turning your knowledge into income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.